Hi, I'm Kate Zappatelli, Chair of the Alignment Institute powered by Karrikins Group. How often have you heard yourself say, I should exercise more often, or I should spend less time on social media? Or maybe at work, you've heard your colleagues say, we need to collaborate more, or we need to prioritize more effectively. These are all examples of being in agreement without alignment. It's easy to agree we need to change our habits, make healthier choices, or work cross-functionally. But that's hard and it takes intentional effort. Join us for the Colorado Companies to Watch Leadership Roundtable on March 20th from 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. at the Buell Public Media Center to learn practical tools and strategies for moving yourself and your teams from agreement to alignment. And you'll have the opportunity to network with CCTW, alumni, partners, board members, and winners. We can't wait to see you there.